Rolling?
Rolling.
Okay, here we go. Lost and Found Journeyman is an original travel series about adventure, advocacy, and attitude. It's about putting yourself out there to create a positive impact, one story at a time. It's about learning and connecting with people and finding new ways to pay it forward. Using solid technology, we set out to get wet, wild, and everything in between.
Basically a solar collector.
So freaking cool.
It's about getting lost, getting found, and reaching out to those who can make a difference. It's about the hard workers, it's about the risk takers, and those who believe that there is good out there. Welcome to Lost and Found Journeyman.
Wanna do a clean version?
What we're doing right now is we're packing all the gear into the cars. We have my car here, we have the paddle, we have the pickup truck here with all the camping gear and all the equipment. Look at Dave, he's looking pretty snazzy. The team is setting up right now. Everyone's doing pretty good. Everyone woke up early. Hi Long. Pretty excited, man.
Yep.
So what I'm doing now is I'm taking photos of the crew just to show what kind of situations our dumbasses put ourselves into. The weather's not good, but hey, we're still headed to the volcano. A lot of people would come here during tourist time, during the summer, but our goal is to show the other side of it. Right there behind me, as you can see, is Piniti ang Malaki. What most people don't know is that that's not the volcano. The volcano is the whole island behind us. Our very first goal was to find a place near Metro Manila that would be an interesting landmark. The first thing we thought of was Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano has the largest third-order island in the world. So a third-order island is an island within a lake, within an island, within a lake, within an island in the ocean. The most beautiful thing about it is that it's so close to Metro Manila, and there are communities that live on this volcanic island. We realized that it was the perfect place to have our very first episode of Lost and Found Journeyman. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology helped us get to the island. You will find behind me so many fish pens where the locals raise a certain type of fish called tawilis. The fascinating thing about being here right now is that it is not tourist season. It is in the middle of the rainy season, and we are under all kinds of weather conditions. When you have the opportunity to positively affect the society, no matter how bad or shitty the circumstances are, what's up? Woo! You gotta just do it.